HERMIT CRAB electric grinder. One charge delivers up to 90 uses, efficient and hassle-free. Features aviation-grade aluminum alloy grinding teeth with top-bottom engagement for consistent grinding. It grinds coarsely but evenly, producing fluffy, easy to ignite and well-ventilated material. Equipped with an LCD power display, so you always know the remaining batteries. The body uses water transfer printing to achieve a carbon fiber finish. Stylish, premium. Scratch out greater than resistant and highly durable. Compact, powerful, and classy. A must less than greater than have for your smoking setup.